My name is Brüntrup. I'm a philosopher from Munich, Germany. My specialty is philosophy of mind and philosophical psychology. Analytic philosophy is very much language-centered, glottocentric. That comes from its origins as an analysis of the basic structure of language, the deepest logical structures of language. We know from experience, but also from psychological and neurophysiological research, that language and reasoning syllogistically, step by step, sequentially, is not the only way we get knowledge about the world and about other people. In addition to this language and reasoning-centered part of our brain and our understanding, we have another one which is more intuitive and holistic, and it doesn't work with language, but basically with metaphors, experiences, and it involves our not only what we experience at the moment, but it relates it to our whole life experience and also to our bodily sensations. And this is a kind of gaining knowledge which analytic philosophy has a very hard time to get a hold of, because it exactly doesn't work with language. Now, narratives are the perfect bridge between the linguistic part of our brain and our mind and this other non-linguistic, more coherentist and holistic part and intuitive part, because narratives are based on images. When I tell you a narrative, you immediately form mental images. And these images are easily understood by this non-propositional, non-linguistic part of our understanding. So with the narratives, we can actually bridge the gap between the logical thinking part of our mind and the intuitive sensing and experiencing part of our mind. And so the narratives have access to the fullness of our mind, and so actually give us more insight than logical reasoning alone. And that's why studying narratives is so interesting from a philosophical point of view.